How easy is it to destroy an organization? And how difficult is it to rebuild it? Learn it through this team building activity.
My 1 minute is equal to 1 year. My 1 minute is equal to 1 year. So I'm going to give you 1 year to try and dismantle it and disfigure it as much as you can. Then after 1 year, I will tell you what next. So 15 seconds gone. 20 seconds now. Yeah, so you have half an year remaining. Half an year remaining now.
At this stage, everybody has destroyed their newspaper. They don't know what to expect, and you can tell from their faces. Now, the twist begins. We asked them to build the debris from the other team members.
So we're going to just confirm one at a time.
Yes.
All right. So this is page 1. This is page 3. It's okay. It's 5. It's fine. 7.
There's a crucial instruction that I left out for you viewers, which I told the participants, that the newspaper represents an organization. I gave you a perfect organization from the beginning. Are you proud of the organization that you're giving me back?